¿Qué hay? That's a question. ¿Qué hay para / de comer? ¿Qué hay para comer? Or ¿qué hay de comer? So you can use either para or de. Okay? Para, de. So what are we talking about? We are talking about food, of course, but this question means what's for dinner or what is there to eat? So usually you ask this question when you want to know what you're gonna eat. It could be breakfast, it could be lunch, it could be supper. So you can ask this question in those situations. So don't worry about the time or what it is, what kind of meal it is. If there's any food where you are. Usually kids ask this to their parents because, they want to know what they're gonna eat. But if you're not cooking and you're curious about what you're gonna eat, what you're gonna have for breakfast, lunch, or supper, you can ask this question. So let's look at some examples really quick examples, really quickly. Me muero de hambre. Me muero de hambre. Oof, that's a good expression. ¿Qué hay de comer? Me muero de hambre. ¿Qué hay de comer? Okay, so in this situation we used de, not para. But you can also say ¿qué hay para comer? So you can say that. Some Spanish speakers say that. Some Spanish speakers like me, I usually say ¿qué hay de comer? So, but both words para or de are correct to use in this question. So this means I'm starving. What is there to eat? Or what's for dinner if it's dinner time? So me muero de hambre. This literally means I am dying from hunger. Okay, this is what this expression means. Me muero de hambre. I'm dying of hunger. Oh my God. Very dramatic. So you can say that when you feel that you're starving. Okay, so it's similar to saying, obviously, I'm starving. You're really, really hungry. And then you ask, ¿qué hay de comer? What is there to eat? Okay, so you are learning several good expressions here. I told you a few ones already, but this one is really good. Me muero de hambre. And then you add the other expression, ¿qué hay de comer? Okay, so very easy, very easy. No need to break this down because me muero de hambre, you know what that means. Hambre means hunger. Okay, well, let's just talk about a bit about these words. Hambre means hunger. It's not hombre. Hombre is man, one man. If you're saying hambre, that means hunger. Okay, me muero. Me muero means I'm dying. Me muero, I'm dying. You can actually use this as expression. It's kind of incomplete because you need to add more to the sentence. Me muero, for example, por ver esa película. I'm dying to see that movie. So that is a more literal translation. I'm dying to see that movie. So that's a different expression. But if you say me muero de hambre, that means I'm starving. Okay. ¿Qué hay de comer? What is there to eat? So very easy. Now the next example. Why am I doing that? I'm using the eraser instead of the brush that I need. Sorry about that. Miguel, ¿qué hay para comer? Miguel, ¿qué hay para comer? So we're just adding a name here, nothing too difficult. And this means, Miguel, what's for dinner? So you can just use the expression by itself. You can add a subject just to get someone's attention. Miguel, ¿qué hay para comer? You can say, I'm starving, me muero de hambre. ¿Qué hay de comer? And in the second example, we can see that we used the word para instead of de. But again, you can say either one. You can use either word, para or de.